This is Adit, which is the final descent on the red loop, the cross-country loop. Real good fun, swoopy, flowy, pretty tight in the corners, but if you can open them up onto the higher lines coming in, everything flows real well. Sam hooking up on the high line. Last of the super tight turns, it starts to get a little bit faster as we start flowing through the woods here. Still pretty narrow in the trees, lovely bit of single track, shouldn't need to pedal too much. Crossing the path here. Oh, branch down. We've done with like the steeper corners coming down and some just sweepy, flowy turns to finish. Little drop. Come up and over this route by the tree.